Good day, welcome to Pharmacovigilance A to Z, where you learn about pharmacovigilance from scratch. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to comment, also subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Last time, I talked about what is pharmacovigilance, why do we need pharmacovigilance. I also talked about the history of pharmacovigilance, not forgetting WHO involvement in pharmacovigilance. Today, I am going to talk about the pharmaceutical industry as a key asset to scientific and medical progress. My analysis will be based on pharmaceutical disease reduction, pharmaceutical research and development, pharmaceutical production, pharmaceutical sales, pharmaceutical employment, and pharmaceutical trends. So let's start. The pharmaceutical industry, a key asset to scientific and medical progress. Advancements in science and technology are starting a revolutionary period for the pharmaceutical industry, with innovative research methods paving the way for game-changing treatments like cell and gene therapies. Over the past century, the life expectancy of the European citizen has risen by up to 30 years thanks to significant progress in biopharmaceutical research. These advances have helped reduce mortality from conditions such as HIV/AIDS and certain cancers, while treatments for high blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, and joint replacement have improved quality of life. Additionally, targeted therapies have made it possible to control or cure some cancers. Despite these strides, challenges remain in addressing diseases like Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, certain cancers, and rare diseases. In 2021, a report from the Regional Office for Europe and European Center for Disease Prevention and Control (ECDC) showed a decrease in the numbers of deaths caused by HIV/AIDS. Deaths in the year 2011 were 2,356, and in the year 2020 it was reduced to 519. The pharma industry is also a key asset to the European economy. Increased trends in production, exports, imports, and also research and development. In 2021, it invested an estimated 41,500 million in research and development in Europe. It directly employs some 840,000 people and generates about 3 times more employment. Pharma production in millions of euros show increased trends according to data that were collected earlier this year. In 2018, data show investment was 99,730 million. In 2019, investment was 127,504 million. In 2020, it was 286,607 million, while in 2021, investment in pharma production in millions of euros was 300,000 million. Research and development expenditure in millions of euros. Investment in research and development also show an increased trend. In 2018, it was 17,849 million. In 2019, it was 27,920 million. In 2020, it was 39,650 million. In 2021, it was 41,500 million. Emerging economies like Brazil, China, and India are experiencing rapid market and research growth. This phenomenon is shifting economic and research activities away from Europe. Data for the year 2021 concerning market growth rates show Brazil with 11.7%, India 11.8%, China 6.7%, EU 5.8%, and 5.6% for USA. Global pharmaceutical sales was dominated by North America with 49.1%, while Europe accounted for 23.4%. China 9.4%, Japan 6.1%, Africa, Asia, Australia, excluding China 8.4%. Newly launched medicines 64.4% was sold in the US, 16.8% in Europe. On our next slide is the drug research and development process. Pay attention carefully as we are talking about the drug development process. Out of every 10,000 substances created in laboratories, only 1 to 2 typically make it through all development stages to become approved medicines. 10 years of research and development and 2 to 3 years of administrative procedures. Cost estimate in 2016 was $2,558 million. The table is a summary of the pharmaceutical drug production. Year 0 to 1 is patent application, year 2 acute toxicity, year 3 pharmacology, year 4 chronic toxicity. This is called the preclinical development process or phase. Year 6 is phase 1 trial, year 8 is phase 2 trial, year 9 phase 3 trial. This is called the clinical trial phase. The clinical trial is divided into phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. The 10th year, registration, marketing, authorization, 11-year price, 12th year reimbursement, 13-year pharmacovigilance. You have to understand that pharmacovigilance activities are performed by the company once the drug is in the market, and pharmacovigilance activities will continue till the drug is no more on sales. 20th year, patent expires and supplementary protection certificate can be obtained, maximum 5 years. In 2020, the pharmaceutical industry invested over $39.6 billion in research and development in Europe. However, economic and research activities have increasingly shifted to the US since 1995, a trend that has intensified since 2015. Emerging economies like China and Korea are also becoming significant competitors, with China nearly matching Europe in 2021 as a leading originator of new active substances, 18 versus 19. Both Europe and China still remain far behind the US with 35 active substances. This suggests a gradual shift to the pharmaceutical market and research and development focus towards rapidly growing economies. Medicines, however, represents a small portion of healthcare expenses, averaging 18.6% of total health spending in Europe. For chronic conditions like cancer and rheumatoid arthritis, their share is under 20% of total disease cost. Additionally, medicines can lead to significant savings by reducing expenses in areas such as hospitalization and long-term care. On the next slide, you find expenditure for the pharmaceutical industry research and development in Europe. Pharmaceutical industry research and development in Europe. These are lists of countries that invested in pharmaceutical research and development in Europe. The list are written in alphabetical order. However, I will mention to you the 5 countries that invested most. Position number 1 is occupied by Germany, investing 77,831 million. Second position is Switzerland, investing 7,380 million. Third position is UK, investing 5,639 million. Fourth position is Belgium, investing 4,964 million. Fifth position is France, investing 4,451 million. This information comes from the European Pharmaceutical Industries and Association. Pharmaceutical production in Europe. The list is in alphabetical order. However, I will give you the 5 countries that invested most concerning pharmaceutical production. Position number 1 is Swiss, investing 53,195 million. Second position is Italy, investing 34,300 million. Third position is Germany, investing 32,350 million. Fourth position is UK, investing 25,323 million. Fifth position is France, investing 23,558 million. Employment in the pharmaceutical industry in Europe. The list is also in alphabetical order. However, I will give you the first 5 positions of those who employ most in Europe. First position is Germany with 115,519 units. France 99,300 units. Third position is UK with 72,000 units. Fourth position is Italy with 60,000 units. Fifth position is Switzerland with 47,000 units. On our next slide is the top 20 pharma companies ranked by fiscal year 2020 research and development spending. Position number 1 is occupied by Pfizer, headquartered in the United States, investing more than 100 billion. Second position is Merck & Co. in the United States, investing more than 59 billion. Third position is AbbVie, United States, investing more than 58 billion. Fourth position is Johnson & Johnson, United States, investing more than 52 billion. Fifth position is Novartis, Switzerland, investing more than 50 billion. Seventh position is Bristol Myers, investing more than 46 billion. Eighth position is Sanofi, France, investing more than 46 billion. Ninth position is AstraZeneca, United Kingdom, investing more than 44 billion. 10th position is GSK, United Kingdom, investing more than 36 billion. 11th position is Takeda Pharmaceutical, Japan, investing more than 30 billion. Position number 12 is Eli Lilly, United States, investing more than 28 billion. Position number 13 is Gilead Sciences, United States, investing more than 27 billion. Position number 14 is Amgen, United States, investing more than 26 billion. 15 is Novo Nordisk, Denmark, investing more than 24 billion. 16 is Biopharmaceutical, Germany, investing more than 20 billion. Position number 17 is Boehringer, Germany, investing more than 19 billion. 18 is Moderna, United States, investing more than 19 billion. 19 is BioNTech, Germany, investing more than 18 billion. 20th position is Viatris, United States, investing more than 16 billion. And on our next slide is the top 10 pharmaceutical companies in Europe by market capitalization. Data obtained in 2022. Position number 1 is Novartis, headquartered Switzerland. Position number 2 is AstraZeneca, United Kingdom. Position number 3 is Sanofi, France. Position number 4 is GSK in the United Kingdom. Position number 5 is Merck, headquartered Germany. Position number 6 is UBC, Belgium. Position number 7 is Ajax, Netherlands. Position number 8 is BioNTech, Germany. Position number 9 is Galderma, Switzerland. Position number 10 is Bayer, Germany. On our next slide, the top 10 pharma companies in India. Position number 1 is occupied by Sun Pharma. Position number 2 is Divi's Laboratories Limited. Position number 3 is Chipla Limited. Position number 4 is Torrent Pharmaceutical Limited. Position number 5 is Mankind Pharma Limited. Position number 6 is Dr. Reddy's Laboratory Limited. Position number 7 is Reddy's Life Science Limited. Position number 8 is Lupin Limited. Position number 9 is Aurobindo Pharma Limited. And position number 10 is Alchem Lab Limited. We have come to the end of our video today. On my next video, I will talk about the drug production, and I will emphasize more on the details in vitro and in vivo. So please watch my next video. Thank you.